I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a soup creamy. First, begin by building a robust flavor foundation with sautéed aromatics like onions, carrots, and celery. These vegetables provide a delicious base before adding any liquids. Next, consider incorporating starchy vegetables such as potatoes, sweet potatoes, or butternut squash. These ingredients naturally thicken your soup as they cook and break down, contributing to a rich, creamy consistency without heavy cream. This initial step is crucial for depth. To further enhance creaminess, consider natural thickening agents. Cooked rice or even a slice of bread can be added to the soup and then blended, absorbing liquid and adding body. Another classic method is preparing a roux by cooking equal parts butter and flour, then whisking it into your simmering soup. For a healthier option, pureed white beans or red lentils offer a fantastic way to achieve a smooth, creamy texture while boosting protein and fiber content. These methods provide excellent results. For that luxurious, creamy finish, dairy and non-dairy options are key. Heavy cream or half and half can be gently stirred in at the very end of cooking off the heat to prevent curdling and add a rich mouthfeel. If you prefer a dairy-free approach, full-fat coconut milk provides a wonderful velvety texture and subtle sweetness. Alternatively, cashew cream, made from soaked and blended cashews, or even pureed silken tofu, are excellent plant-based choices that deliver impressive creaminess. Experiment to find your favorite. Finally, achieving that perfect creamy texture often comes down to blending. Use an immersion blender directly in the pot, or carefully transfer soup in batches to a stand blender, filling it only 2/3 full to avoid spills. Blend until completely smooth and velvety. After blending, taste and adjust your seasonings, adding salt, pepper, and fresh herbs like chives or parsley to brighten the flavors. A swirl of olive oil or a dollop of crème fraiche can also add a beautiful finishing touch. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly creamy homemade soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.